YouTube profile picture on desktop. So let's go to the YouTube like this, and from there, if you need to change your profile picture, all you need to do is that you need to tap on your profile like this, and it will show you list of options here, and there you can switch your account. If not so, you are in the correct account, you can switch over there. After that, you need to tap on your view channel option, and after going over that, it will show you the customize channel button here. So you can tap on that, or otherwise you can go to the camera which is over the profile, and you can tap on this profile picture of that camera, and it will also take you to the channel customization page like this. Now let's say if you need to change that profile picture here, you can scroll down to find that picture. So you can tap on change here. It will take you to the settings of your page, and you can select any of the picture like this. Let's say I'm tapping on open. Now you can access this picture like this, and you can resize it. After that, if you tap on done like this, that could be changed. This is how you change YouTube profile picture. Thank you.